On the mental side, we talked about the power of negativity and how you have to become aware of that. One of my pro fundamentals is stop saying stupid stuff. And I'm not
Mm,
going to swear here, but you can get the idea
you
of,
can
instead,
swear.
you can replace, stop saying stupid, you know what? Stop saying stupid stuff and become aware of your thoughts and your thinking patterns and start to learn how to reframe your limiting thinking, your limited thoughts, your limited beliefs, and then come up with new affirmations, new power statements, new ways to speak to yourself. It takes work, and sometimes it takes accountability or a coach or someone to help you, but that's important. And then on the emotional side, we've touched on this of how the human condition is to live in the head, and we won't get into the depth of why that happens. But most people are ruminating and overthinking. I'm a recovering overthinker myself. It's just part of the human condition. But the real magic happens, Seth, is when you make a heart brain connection. When you connect your heart to your brain, and this is where the science really gets cool. The Heart Math Institute has done 30 years of studies, and what they found, among other things, is that the heart's electrical field is about 60 times stronger in amplitude than the brain's electrical field.
Wow.
The heart's magnetic field is 100 times stronger than the brain. So if you think you're smart and you're using your brain, you're not even scratching the surface of what's possible when you start
Yeah.
connecting your heart to your brain. And simple breathing techniques like heart focused breathing and coherence training that get you into this flow state. When you get coherent, when your heart rhythms are coherent, when you're feeling appreciation, joy, gratitude, calmness, you're connecting your heart to your brain. And that's when you have more energy. That's when you get out of your head and into your heart, and you're able to bounce back from tough conversations, disagreements, arguments. Your creativity and your intuition goes through the roof. And all of it is accessible. This is not an elusive thing. Yes, is it hard to be in the zone all the time? Of course. But if you practice getting into your heart and into your body every single day, you're installing these new skills every single day. And it only takes a
Yeah.
few minutes. It's not a complicated process. So if I were to summarize, it's like, hey, get good sleep, stop saying stupid stuff, and make a heart brain connection. You do those three things and you watch how your life will transform.
And it sounds so simple, but it's work. It's hard work. It's an effort. But I will say this, saying the stupid stuff, not getting the good night's sleep, and not connecting with your heart is almost equal in energy as it is to do the right thing.
Yeah.
But that moving from here to there, if you will, from not doing it to doing it, is where the work is done. And our talk that gets in the way, our obstacles, our pebbles in the shoe, whatever you want to call it, our impediments,